Many times, we complain about how strict certain people are without even stopping to think about why they became that way. Imagine you rush someone to the hospital in an emergency and the doctor refuses to treat the patient until payment is made. Most of us would immediately call that doctor a heartless human being on the spot without even stopping to think that they may have been taken advantage of in the past. Constant betrayals and dishonesty from people can change a person, and deciding to be more careful is the most sane and logical thing anyone can do. But there is a different kind of person in this world. No matter how many times they are hurt, cheated or disappointed, they never change who they are. They never let the world turn them into something they are not. And that is what makes them so real and so admirable. In this video, you are going to find out 5 traits that make certain people extremely admirable and set them apart from everyone else. If you have any of these traits, you are a very special person. Trait 1. You forgive easily without holding grudges. If you are the kind of person who forgives easily and does not hold grudges, you are realer than you think. When someone hurts most people, they close up immediately. They remember it. They carry that pain around like a heavy bag and they might never put it down. And nobody can fully blame them for that. For you are different. When offended, you forgive. Not because what happened to you did not matter, but because you care more about your peace than about staying angry. You understand that holding on to bitterness only hurts you, so you let things go. You move forward. You don't allow what happened yesterday decide who you are today. And that is not weakness. That is one of the most powerful things a human being can do. Trait 2. You are genuinely selfless. If you are the kind of person who helps others without thinking about what you will get in return, you are different from 90% of the entire population. Most people help, but with a small expectation somewhere in the back of their mind. It might not be money. It could just be a thank you, some recognition, or the feeling that someone now owes them something. That is a very normal human behavior. But you don't operate that way. You show up for people quietly. You give your time, your energy, and whatever you have, simply because someone needed help and you were able to give it. You don't do it to be noticed or praised. You do it because it is just who you are. And that quality, as simple as it sounds, is one of the most beautiful things a person can have. Trait 3. You are unbothered by material things and what people think of you. If you are the kind of person who is not chasing the latest things or living your life based on other people's opinions, you are already ahead in a very quiet way. The world is always pushing people to want more. A bigger house, a fancier car, more followers, better clothes. And most people, without even realizing it, start living for those things. But you never fell into that trap because you are not trying to impress anyone. You are not spending money to show people who you are. And when people have opinions about you, it doesn't shake you. You know who you are, and that is enough for you. You are also never in a rush. You don't hurry your life along just to keep up with someone else. There is a calm and steady way about you that people notice. And even if they cannot explain exactly what it is still there and they can feel it. Trait 4. You are always playful and full of joy. If you are the kind of person who laughs easily and brings good energy wherever you go, you are giving people something they deeply need. Life is not easy for anyone. There are always bills, worries, disappointment, and hard days. Most people carry all of that on their face and in the way they move through the world. But you stay different. You always find something to smile about, even in ordinary moments. You walk into a room and people immediately feel more comfortable. The interesting thing is that your joy does not come from having a perfect life. It comes from a decision you keep making every single day. You have problems just like everyone else. You simply choose not to let those problems take your energy. That kind of joy is very hard to find, and people are drawn to it in a way that is almost impossible to explain. Trait 5. You always see a way forward, where others only see problems. If you are the kind of person who looks at a difficult situation and immediately starts thinking about what can be done, you have a gift that most people will never develop in their entire life. When most people face a problem, they talk about it, they worry about it, they stay stuck in it. The problem becomes the whole story. But you look at the same situation and ask what can still be done. While others are giving reasons why something will not work, you are already looking for a way to make it work. You don't pretend that difficulties don't exist. You just never believe that they are the end of the road. You don't complain without a purpose. You believe, and you truly mean it, that there is always a way out. And because you believe that, you are usually the one who finds it. These 5 traits, forgiving without bitterness, giving without expectation, living without needing approval, choosing joy, and always looking for a way forward, are not things people are simply born with. They are choices made every single day, especially on those days when it is hardest to make them. The truth is, the world will always have more people who hold grudges than people who forgive easily. More people who take than people who give. More people chasing what others think of them than people who are settled in who they are. More people complaining than people actually solving. That will never change. But every once in a while, you meet someone who is different. Someone who has been hot, but is still soft. Someone who has very little, but still gives others. Someone who has every reason to be bitter, but chooses to always smile. That person changes every room they walk into. They change the people around them. And sometimes, without even saying a single word, they change lives. That person can be you. And if you have watched this far, there is a very good chance it already is. Please share this video and subscribe to this channel.